Operator certification is a vitally important risk management tool for the Australian water industry. Whether an operator is responsible for water, wastewater or recycled water, there is a community expectation that appropriate public health and environmental outcomes will be achieved. The water industry operator is the most important final cog in the supply of treated water to our communities. To ensure operators are competent and confident to carry out their responsibilities, they need access to the highest quality training and continuing professional development opportunities.
The benefits of certification for an organisation are immense, and when we look at risk management, there's a real human element to those, and it's vitally important for organisations to have well-trained and certified operators to be able to manage those risks appropriately.
One of the reasons that we're really excited about certification is that it one gives recognition to important people within the industry, the operators who actually are the ones that treat the water, but also it allows us to be confident that they can do the job in a competent and professional manner.
Probably one of the first advantages we got out of this, we actually identified some staff that had qualifications or training that had lapsed, so it enabled us to fill a few gaps.
The independent certification process provides a number of benefits to both the operator and the employer. It ensures that the training of the operator is matched to the processes that they operate. It endorses the operator's experience, and finally, it ensures that the operators continue to develop or refresh their skills.
We're now getting better interchange between teams, better support across these teams, which builds better resilience in our organisation and a greater sense of teamwork and support within our own group.
I think certainly certification's given us a lot more professionalism towards the role and probably a lot more self-worth for the operator, and I think it makes the operator realise that they are very important in the process.
Well, I think certification has certainly put a tighter focus on continuous improvement and professionalism by our operators. It now provides them an opportunity to use and go forward with in terms of obtaining extra training skills and maintaining their level of competency.
It is hoped that a nationally consistent water industry operator certification scheme will be the driver for improved standards in training and portability of skills across the country. Attaining certification is a real achievement, not only for the operator, but also for their employer. Only those operators who demonstrate the highest levels of professionalism and competence can attain certification, giving the up-and-comers something to aim towards.
I believe it's important not only for the consumer but also for the client to know that the companies that are operating their treatment plants and managing their contracts are definitely first grade and willing to put in the training and make sure that we're delivering a first class product.
I guess using an analogy, you wouldn't fly on a plane if you didn't know the pilot was qualified. So certification gives you that extra level of confidence that the water that's been produced has been produced by competent people, and I think that's a great comfort to our customers that you have well-trained and skilled operators looking after your water supply system.
In the long run, we believe certification will deliver greater recognition of the importance of the role as a water industry operator, along with the continued protection of public health and the environment.